Right, so we've come to Pennylands in Milton Keynes, 2 properties that we've done here in April of 21, so a while ago, and obviously the results speak for themselves. They were both scrape and treatments on these 2 properties. We've come to Pete's house today. Pete's going to say a few words on camera for us, a little testimonial of sorts. Lovely bloke, lovely property, and hopefully we'll get some nice aerial footage for you to have a look at the roof. So I'm here with Pete. We cleaned Pete's roof in April of 21, along with a neighbour 1 door down. We carried out the work a while ago, so we've just come back to catch up with Pete and just ask a few questions.
Right.
So first of all, I suppose, what was the purpose of you having your roof cleaned in the first place?
Well, we were having lots of problems with moss dropping down into the gutter and coming down onto the patio, and it was just getting messy. So I thought it was sensible to actually get it done once and for all. And the people next door but one, the Chalks, had theirs done by you, and they recommended you. And when I saw the job you'd done for them, I had no hesitation in saying, come and do this.
Brilliant, that's brilliant.
You did a good job.
Okay, great. And so was the process of the clean explained to you all the way through? Did you know what you were in for and how we were going to carry out the work?
I certainly did. Your guys were very helpful, very communicative. They told me exactly what was going to happen and when.
Yeah.
And they were just helpful and considerate.
That's good. And they were polite and good while they were here?
Oh, absolutely good, yeah.
And did we come across any problems while we were here?
I don't believe so. No, I don't think so.
That's good. And obviously we can see that the chemical has definitely done what we'd expect it to do.
It's done a superb job, and it seems to get better as time goes on.
And are you happy with the roof?
Oh, more than happy, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
No hesitation in telling everybody who did it and putting them in your direction.
So you'd recommend us then if asked?
Absolutely, yeah.
That's good to hear. So you've got a lovely area here and a lovely roof to go along with it.
Yeah, we're very lucky.
Okay, great. All right, well, lovely. Thank you very much, Pete.
My pleasure.